So an object like this disintegrating could potentially produce, many thousands of Tunguska-sized objects. And luckily, what it seems is that, like, the Torrid meteor stream seems to be very dispersed. It's also wide, very wide. It takes several weeks to cross, which means that it's probably an old meteor stream because it's had plenty of time to become diffused along its orbit. A young meteor stream, which has just been produced by the disintegration of a comet, is going to be it's going to be clumped in certain areas because it hasn't dispersed yet around the meteor stream. Every trip around the sun, that material is going to become more dispersed, and eventually it'll become uniformly distributed more or less along the path of its orbit. But if it's an old one, it's going to be already dispersed, and that's pretty much what we see with the Torrid stream. So as it's coming around Jupiter and was discovered, it was already beginning to disassemble into 21 individual nuclei. And I think it was about 3 months of observations, the astronomers were able to calculate the orbit. Pretty much you use what's called the orbital elements. And the orbital elements were, you have to know the timing, you have to know the geometry of the ellipse, you have to know the inclination,